ॐ सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः। शङ्करं शङ्कराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः। ॐ अद्यतनविषयः अस्ति अभ्यास 50 द्वितीयभागः द्वन्द्वसमास। द्वन्द्वसमासस्य लक्षणं किं भविष्यति, किं भवति?
उभयपदार्थप्रधानो द्वन्द्वः।
सत्यं। तत्पुरुषसमास
समानाधिकरणः कर्मधारयः।
that is for कर्मधारय।
उत्तरपद प्राधान्य
सत्यं।
तत्पुरुष
प्रधानो उत्तरपदप्रधानो तत्पुरुषः। पूर्वपदार्थप्रधानो अव्ययीभावः।
अव्ययीभाव
अन्यपदार्थप्रधानो बहुव्रीहि। So 4 types we have seen. तत्पुरुषे द्वे भागे स्तः कर्मधारय अपि च द्विगु। And karmadharaya, that sutra is a good lakshana. That samanadikarana. Tat purushah samanadikaranah karmadharaya. This is karmadharaya. And samanadikarana. Api dvandva sankhya purvo dviguhu. Not dvandva. Dviguhu. Dviguhu sankhya purvo dviguhu. 6 types of samasas. Find 6th type we are seeing. Second. अद्यत्वे मम गृहे अहं ममाग्रजो नुजश्च पितरौ पितामहः पितामही तिस्रो भगिन्यश्च सन्ति किं भविष्यति? ट्रांसलेशन। अद्यत्वे यानी nowadays. Adya, today. Adyatve, nowadays. During this time,
Mama Grihe, in my house. Aham, myself. Mama Angrajo, my elder brother. Anujasya, my younger brother. Pitarao, mom and dad. Pitamaha, grandfather, Nana. Pitamahi.
Dada.
Dada and Pitamahi Dadi and Tisro Bhagiyasya, 3 sisters, something.
सम्यक्। ममाग्रजो अनुजश्च। अत्र सन्धि अस्ति वा, समास अस्ति वा, उभय अस्ति वा, उभयोस्तः वा?
Sandhi is there between Mama and Agrajo. Mama Agrajo, Akko, Jirka Savarna.
सत्यम्। अग्रे?
And then also between Agrajo and Anushya, we should have, I think, that O and this one, that we Eda Padartha, I think.
Ega is for A and Avagraha. O and Avagraha is?
Is Adguna.
Adguna is A and E. E, U, iti Adguna. A, O, A Avagraha, Enga Padantati. O Avagraha, Atoro Raplada. Kintu Samasa अस्ति वा अत्र?
Yeah, Agrajo cha, Anuja cha. So therefore you could have that. So it is that.
Dvandva samasa.
Dvandva samasa. Agraja and Anuja. Agrajascha, Anujascha.
Is there? Does anybody disagree with this?
Actually, we wouldn't say Agrajo.
But this is not samasa, right? Sundarji, I mean, this itself is not a samasa. But we can have a dvandva over here, I think. And what kind of dvandva? Agraja, Anuja looks very unnatural. We can have Ekashesha maybe. I don't know. I mean, just like Pita Rao. Guessing.
I see that Ramascha Krishnascha, but the only thing is they have not done a au in the end.
That is the point. So there is no samasa. If there was samasa, correct. Because if there was samasa, chakara will not be there firstly. Secondly, if there was samasa, then vibhakti has to disappear from purvapada. But agra jaha prathama ekvachanam, here there is no samasa. There is only sandhi. There is no samasa in this word at all. Mama, agrajaha, anujaha, cha. 3 sandhis are there. Akasavarne dirghaha, atorora plutadaplute, stohoshchunashchuhu for anujaha cha, anujascha. There is no samasa. If at all there was samasa, like
the Ekashesha we see in this Vakya is at the Bhaginyascha. Us shabd mein hai wo. I think.
No.
It is like Prukshascha.
Okay. Yeah, you can say that is there. I mean, it is Bahuvachanam. That will be the confusion throughout this. That will be a common theme. Now that they have said Vrikshaha, Vrikshau, that Vrikshascha, Vrikshau, they have given Ekashesha, Dvandva. So that common doubt will be following us. Vrikshau is Dvivachanam. Should I say it is Ekashesha Dvandva Samasa? Bhaginyaha is Bahuvachanam. Should I say it is Ekashesha Dvandva? So this common theme will follow. It is better to, that is why it is better to sort of not give too much importance to Ekashesha. If at all there was Ekashesha, to say brothers, right? You just have to use Dvivachanam. Bratha Bhratarau, that is all. Mama Bhratarau, you can say. But they want to specify it is elder and younger. So, Mama Grajo Najascha. Only Sandhi is there. Pitarau, Mata Pitarau. Here you can say there is Ekashesha Dvandva. Because Mata Pitarau refers to both Mata and Pita. Mama and Dad, like Sundarji said. Both parents. Pitarau. There you can say Ekashesha Samasa. Dvandva. And Bhaginyascha, there is only, it is better to say it is only Sandhi. Any questions on this? Okay, Agre. Atra Ramakrishnayoho chitre vartate. Ramakrishnayoho, is there samasa?
No.
Does anybody disagree? Why no?
Could be, actually. I'm rethinking. It doesn't always have to be au, right? Depending on what the context is, the vibhakti can differ.
Correct.
And there is no cha, so this is actually, I think, the itaretara.
Which vibhakti is here in that case, if it is not au?
Ramakrishna Yoho.
How do you translate this?
यहाँ रामकृष्ण योगो चित्रे वर्तते. रामकृष्ण दोनों का चित्र है यहाँ पे. This is what is being said, right? का तो षष्ठी.
Correct. रामः रामस्य रामयोः रामानां, कृष्णस्य कृष्णयोः कृष्णानां, whatever. That is षष्ठी. षष्ठी द्विवचनम इतरेतर द्वंद्व समास is correct. रामस्य च कृष्णस्य च रामकृष्णयोः. That would be विग्रह वाक्य. षष्ठी द्विवचनम इतरेतर.
Can I ask a question?
Yes जी.
षष्ठी है, शब्द की षष्ठी है.
हाँ.
षष्ठी है. ठ.
ठकार. हाँ हाँ.
हाँ, okay.
तृतीय. Patra pushpa phalani udyane santi. Is there samasa here?
Yes.
Yes. Which samasa?
This is iterator. Patram cha, pushpam cha, phalam cha.
Satyam. They are all in garden. It's pretty simple. Udyana, garden. Dhadidritam, pratidinam, bhojaniyam. Dhadidritam, which samasa?
It is given. It's samoha.
Samahara.
This is samohara.
Samahara.
Samahara. Is there any pratyaya in this sentence?
Bhojaniyam. Bhojaniyam mein hai.
Correct. Bhojaniyam aniyar. Samyak. Sheetoshnam. Every day you should eat. It should be eaten. That is the translation. Har din khana chahiye. Roz khana chahiye. Whatever. Sheetoshnam. Sada. Sodhavyam. Sodhavyam. Which pratyaya? Which dhatu and pratyaya?
Tavyat.
Tavyat. Satyam. Dhatu?
Saha.
Saham kitna chahiye?
Correct. Sah. Sah dhatu. Sah dhatu. Sheetoshnam. Cold and heat. Sada sodhavyam. Sarvada pitarau pujaniyau. Translation?
Shitoshnam will be samahara.
Samahara. Correct. Sarvada pitarau pujaniyau.
Pitarau, again, ekashesha.
Correct. Always.
Sarvada, sada pitarau की पूजा करनी चाहिए.
Pujaniyau also is aniyara. Pujaniyah.
हाँ, because of पितराउ उन्होंने पूजनीयौ ऐसा फॉर्म किया है.
Pujaniyau. Should be. See, that is why, there is one point here. Why Sundarji had asked this question yesterday. Pujaniyau they are saying. Because they have included Mata before Pita. So that Mata, Pita has become Pitarau. If Mata was second, then this would be Pujaniye. But it is not. That point we have to see. Pitarau is second. So that Pujaniya is going to follow the Pitarau. So it will become Pujaniyau. Dushtaha. Rogena mriyate mriyatam amriyata mriyeta marishyati. Mriyeta. Kasmin lakara?
Vidiling.
Satyam. Vidiling. And all these are okay. Lat, lot, lung, vidiling, lrit. 5 lakaras. Guruhu shishyam dharmam upadishati karyam kartum adishati cha. In this sentence, how many padas in Dvitiya Ekavachanam?
द्वितीय एकवचनम.
Shishyam. Dharmam. Tu.
Karyam.
कार्यम. कार्यम.
3. Satyam. Artha.
गुरुः शिष्यं धर्मोपदिशति कार्यं कर्तुम आदिशति च. गुरु ने शिष्य को धर्म का उपदेश किया और कार्य करने का आदेश दिया.
Kartum. Pratyaya.
Tumu.
Tum.
तुम
Yeah. All these are easy.
And in this one, would it be again Shashti, Dharmasya Upadishati? Would it be Dharm ka? Dharm ka Upadesh
Yeah.
dete hain.
But when Upadesha is given, generally it's Tritiya only. Like for example, Brahma Vidyayaha Upadishati or Brahma Vidyam Upadishati. That way. Generally, this dhatu will come with Dvitiya. And also in giving artha, in Upadesha dhatu artha, it is Dvitiya. We had seen this earlier, if you remember, in one of the abhyasas in the Niyama, whether it was Dvitiya Vibhakti or Shashti Vibhakti, I am not sure. But we had seen this.
Akarshi, one hint could be that kartuhu ipsitatamam karma, from that karta's ichhita vastu in this place is dharma, so dharma has to be given, so therefore dharma would have dvitiya. I mean, if we go by that logic, that is to be given.
That's a good
in
hint.
the absence of, just say shishyam upadishati. So
Correct. That's a good hint. That is a technically valid tool that we can use. Karturipsitam karma. Of course, Karturipsitatamam karma is not generally for Dvitiya Vibhakti, but we can use that here. Actually it is for Dvitiya Vibhakti. In fact, we'll find it here. What page number would that be? Abhyasa 5. So, page number 20? No, 30. Yes, absolutely correct, Sumanjay ji. Wonderful. You see, Niyama Dwadasha कर्तुरीप्सिततमम कर्म. कर्ता जिसको व्यक्ति वस्तु या क्रिया को बहुत चाहता है उसे कर्म कहते हैं. So that logic we can use here. That is why dharmam upadishati, not dharmasya upadishati. Generally these niyamas, all the rules, all the sutras given in the niyamas, they have been using it repeatedly. For Dvitiya Bhakti, there are 3 abhyasas. 5, 6 and 7 are all for Dvitiya only. They are used. 5 and 6. 7 does not have any niyama. Okay. Agre. Agre. रामो वचनम उद्गिरति भोजनम च निगिरति. उद्गिरति धातु
बोलना, but I don't know how it is getting formed. As in, what is the moola of it?
It is vach dhatu. Samprasarana हुआ है. It's not vach dhatu. Vad.
उद्गिरति. Udgirati. Vad. Not vad.
Is it not bolna?
Bolna, correct, but not vad dhatu. Bolna is correct. Not vach or vad. There is no samprasana here.
Right. Okay. We have come across this word actually. Udgita.
No, not that.
No, not that. Okay.
Maybe it is linked, but not like this. Sorry?
Udgru is what is given here.
Correct. Gru dhatu.
Gru.
Dirgha rukara. Gru dhatu. Ud upasarga. Ut upasarga purvak. Ut upasarga plus gru dhatu. And then that sutra will have.
The sutra that I had said actually is from that.
Rita id dhatoho. Sutra. Gru will become girati. Rukara, dirgha rukara will get E adesha. So Rita id. It will happen. Rita id dhato. Udgirati udgr. In the same way, nigirati, which dhatu? Again gr dhatu. And ni upasarga. Ramo vachanam, they see that upasarga will change the meaning of the dhatu. Vachanam udgirati. Vachan bol rahe hain. And bhojan nigirati, nigalna, swallow. Ishaha srishtim srijati. Papani visrijati cha. Artha.
ईश्वर सृष्टि की
सृष्टि का सृजन करता है.
पापों का नाश करते हैं और विसर्जन करते हैं.
विसर्जन करते हैं.
Akashi, there is a question on this. I mean, the previous one. So, how do we know? As in, I was just checking on Ashtadhyayi, and for this gray, it says gray nigarane, and that is to swallow, to eat. Now, when do we know that ut will not do? Will make it totally ulta artha. Nigirati is still khana, eat and swallow. So when do we know that ut will lead to something totally ulta and he will just retain the artha? As in, is there something which will tell?
There is no common theme. It is a dhatu by dhatu point. Like For example, panna and utpanna or something else. Some other ut dhatu you can use for utthanam, what we say, stha plus utthanam. Those kinds of things are there. They will not be ulta artha, right? But for some dhatus, it will cause the absolute opposite, like what we have seen here. Igirati is inside, but Udgirati is coming out opposite direction. So it is a dhatu by dhatu scenario. Like for example, ang upasarga generally gives the opposite meaning. But in some dhatus, it will not give the opposite meaning. Like gacchati, agacchati. It is opposite. But in some dhatus, it may not give the same opposite meaning. So many times it is a dhatu by dhatu scenario. What we can say is generally it is going to follow this theme, but there will be exceptions.
Okay.
I don't think there is any common rule as such.
Okay.
Sanskrit banao. We had seen.
What is Ramo Vachanam being at Hashicha?
Correct. Haka Visarga has become Okara. That is true. Ramaha Ramo. In fact, they should be doing this everywhere, but they don't. They only give, in certain places, they do the Sandhi Karya. But ideally, it would be nice if they can do it everywhere. But one point before we go ahead, with this Upasargas, when we had done Upasarga, there was a website that we had checked, which had given meanings of each Upasarga. I can find that website and share with you, Dr. Sumanjay ji. So that is, that if you can share please with Sumanjay ji, Sundarji, that would be helpful. Or even in the group that we have, the Google chat group, if you can put it on the group, we can refer to it. It is not 100% accurate, but it is good enough to get a sort of basic idea. There are some minor mistakes in that website. At least one Upasarga has been missed out. One Upasarga has been added. There are some minor errors, but the meanings more or less are okay. If you want to check that. Astu agre. Sanskrit banao. राम के माता पिता भाई और बहन भाई और बहनें यहाँ रहती है किम संस्कृते संस्कृत भाषायां
रामस्य पितरौ
भ्राता
भगिनी भगिन्यश्च अत्र सन्ति
अत्र वसन्ति रहते अत्र है मतलब संति वसंती रहती हैं
तो वसंती।
एंड अगर भाइयों वैसे बहुवचन में बोलना है तो इट विल बिकम भ्राता रहा भ्राता भ्रातारो भ्राता। मेरा बड़ा भाई और छोटा भाई, बड़ा भाई को क्या शब्द दिए हैं? अग्रज एंड छोटा भाई अनुज। हाँ, तो बड़ी बहन वुड बी सत्यम। सो दैट इज फॉर ममाग्रजो नुजश्च इज फॉर बड़ा भाई और छोटा भाई। बड़ी बहन छोटी बहन कैसे बोलना है फिर?
और आई थॉट दे गिव टू शब्दास ना, तो उनका शायद ये अर्थ होगा।
हाँ स्वस्त्र 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 इज देयर। स्वस्त्र, right? Bhagini and swastra.
Bhagini and swastra, maybe. No.
Agraja, Anuja. Mama agrajonujascha. That is the thing. Mama agrajonujascha, this shabda. And for sisters, mama agruja, again avagra you can put if you want, anujascha. Anujacha. Amagraja.
Will that be a double avagraha because there is no anuja
and then
agraja?
No, agraja and you have to take, not the end.
Not the end. So so it's plus So therefore single.
Okay. Yes. Of course, bearing in mind that we can put, but it is of course more modern usages. Old books will not have it.
We are modern people.
Confusion, don't put.
Confusion, don't put. Avoid. But that logic is correct. What Sudachi does. So mama agraja agrajonujascha tatha agrajanujacha vidyale patanti. Because why patanti? Because at least four have come. Na? Agraja anuja. 4 at minimum. So bahuvachanam only. मेरे दादा और दादी वृद्ध हैं. कैसे बोलना है?
It can become
Pitamahau.
Pitamahau, nahi. Pitamahau, maybe it can become. I'm not sure.
Like Pitarau.
Yeah, like Pitarau, maybe you can say
Mata
Pitamahau.
Pita, so Pitamahau. Or Dada Dadi.
Perhaps we can say that. But you see, Mata Pita they have given clearly here. They don't want us to say this. That is for sure. They want us to say separately only. That is why they have given. Correct.
Because they have given both the shabdas.
Yeah, that is how they want us to say it. That is for sure. But whether Pitamahau is a permitted usage, I have to check. Pitamaha.
It's akaranta. And akaranta and ekashesha we can have, no? Pitamaha and Pitamahi.
By logic, we should have. Yes. Yeah, the logic is correct. Like just as Pitarau, Pitamahau should be there. But whether it is permitted or even common usage, I don't know. I have not heard it.
Pitamahau, we have to say Dadi Dada. Here, if you want to say Dada Dadi, it will have to become Pitamahe.
Yeah, that logic is also correct. Yes. But see, they have not given Dada Dadi or Dadi Dada. They have given Dada or Dadi. So that is why the Granthakara wants us to say Mama Pitamaha, Pitamaha, Pitamahi cha. That is what Granthakara's Icha is, clearly. But whether we can say Pitamaha or Pitamahe, we have to check. मेरे मामा मामी नाना नानी प्रयाग में रहते हैं.
Matulau, Mama Matulau, and Mata Mahau cha Prayage Vasanti
only. And if you want to say separately, Abaji, you were saying something?
Mama, right? That is fine.
So Matulaha, Matulani, because one more reason is you see they are given all these separately.
Yeah, Matulani was the word I was wanting to say. Yeah.
Matulaha, Matulani, Matamaha, Matamahi. Sarve Prayage Vasanti.
Use all these words
in
the sentences.
Yeah, that is what the Tatparya, that Icha is there, that they want us to use it. The question now becomes, is it a permitted usage? That we have to check. What is the question? Okay. If there is a question, please feel free to interrupt. Panchama.
Yes. Question. That is, we haven't done for Anuja or we haven't done Tap Pratyaya, right? As in Stri Pratyayas we haven't touched, I guess. I was absent for a long time.
No, we have not done Ji. Stri Pratyaya is the last Abhyasa. Anuja, the reason why they have given this, just as a whatever this is, Sandesh. They have given a point, you see, Agraja, Anuja, all of these things they have given, but Stri Pratyaya we have not done. Soon this all these recordings will be up on YouTube. I'll send a link pretty soon, so we can catch up on something if we have missed. Panchama kim bhavishyati? Or this way.
Mama Bharya. Mama Shalakaha Sala or there is Sale and Sali, so we can do an Ekar Shesha over here. Mama Padma मम भार्या मम शालकौ श्वशुरौ काश्यां वसन्ति.
श्यालः, not शालकः. So mama patni श्यालौ you can say, or mama patni, mama श्यालः, mama श्याली, मम श्वशुर और मम श्वश्रूश्च. मम श्वशुरः श्वश्रूश्च काश्यां वसन्ति. काश्यां वसन्ति. काश्यां वसन्ति. सत्यं.
She will be like Nadi here.
सप्तमी will be
Kashya.
काश्यां. मेरे पुत्र पुत्रियां, पौत्र पौत्रियां, प्रपौत्र पौत्रियां तथा जामाता नाती विद्यालय और विश्वविद्यालय में पढ़ते हैं. मामा, नो, आई डोंट थिंक एकशेष इज पॉसिबल. वी हैव टू से सेपरेटली. Here is where the real challenge. Mama putra we will all say. Mama putraha. What about putriya?
पुत्रियां. कन्या कहते हैं क्या पुत्री के लिए? या पुत्री शब्द है?
हाँ, पुत्री शब्द ही है.
पुत्री से शब्द.
It will be like Putriyah. Putriyah.
Mati matyo matyah. That way.
Yeah, like Nadi will work.
Yes, Putri will be like Stri.
Stri, correct. Not like Mati. Nadi. Ikaranta. Correct. Ikaranta. So this will be Nadi Nadyo Nadyah. Putri Putro. Putryo Putryaha. Samyak. Correct.
Yeah.
The Ikara is true. So, but Putri is correct. Putraha. Putryaha. Then Pautraha. Then
Putriyah.
Same.
Prapautraha. Prapautriyah. The word Tatha. Tatha is actually and here, isn't it?
हाँ, so you see और भी है तथा भी है. They have given both और and तथा. तो कैसे बोलना है? मामा पुत्र, पुत्रो, पुत्र्यः, पौत्रो, पौत्र्यः, प्रपौत्रो, प्रपौत्र्यश्च तथा जामाता, नप्ती च, नप्त्री च विद्यालय तथा
विश्वविद्यालये च
सत्यं
पठन्ति.
Tata itself is a word, right, in Sanskrit. So just to separate the two sets they have given. ये सब विद्यालय में, ये दोनों विश्वविद्यालय में. मेरे चाचा और चाची पाटलिपुत्र में रहते हैं. मामा चाचा is what? पितृव्यः. हाँ, पितृव्यौ you can say maybe like पितरौ. I think पितृव्यौ और पितृव्यः. अच्छा, they have not given. It is पितृव्यः.
They have not given chachi, so pitravyo.
They are given here. Why they are not given? What is?
They have given only chacha.
चाची is given Pitriyah.
नीचे दिया है. Okay, pitravya. Okay.
पितृव्यः. पितृव्यः. हाँ, पितृव्यः, पितृव्याच you can say, or पितृव्यो. We have to check this. I don't know if there is any exception given specifically. But logic says it should be used. पाटलिपुत्रे वसन्ति or वसतः. Only two are there. वसति वसति. रमा के देवर व्यापार करते हैं.
We will write our own sutra, 4001.
As though we need to write one more.
Yeah, number 4001. It will be our group sutra. We do all this Pitarahu and on that business.
I would have hoped there would be a better sutra than to talk about Pitarau and Matarau and all these words. But anything is
Start
good.
small. We start small.
We don't need a new sutra. I'm sure it'll be somewhere. I just don't know where. So it must be somewhere.
This lesson is not
We
for
will write
Vedanta
one.
anyway. This family expansion is not anyway for Vedanta students.
Yeah, exactly. Mahabhashya
We will
Patanjali.
write.
We will write?
We will write a simpler sutra. Sutrani anavashyakani jagatah mithyatvat. We say.
This is not simpler.
Mr. Sunjay ji, Vasudeva Kudako.
Mahabhashyakara may have given somewhere. You can go and check. Kashikakara, somebody would have written. There are so many people who have worked on Vyakarana. I think somewhere it should be. Okay, anyway, रमा के देवर व्यापार करते हैं. रमायाः फिर देवरः
व्यापारम करोति.
और बहुवचन अगर है तो देवरः कुर्वन्ति. हाँ, so which samasa is here? Navama?
First one, right, Itaregula.
रामस्य लक्ष्मणश्च रामलक्ष्मणौ आगच्छतः आते. हाँ, दशम. These are very easy.
Sita Ramau
हाँ,
Hasanti. No, Hasatah. Two people, right?
हसतः. भीमार्जुनौ युद्धे गच्छतः.
This.
युद्ध में जाते हैं, युद्धे गच्छतः. फल फूल लाओ किम. This is an interesting one.
फलपुष्पे आनय.
फल पुष्पे आनेय सत्यम. So will there be sandhi karya here?
फलपुष्पे आनय. No sandhi karya over here because फलपुष्पम आनय. There would be फलपुष्पम आनय, but this is फलपुष्पे, so no sandhi over.
Actually, it will be pala pushpam aneya because this has to be samahara dvandva.
Oh, okay. Napumsakalinga.
Yes.
Samanaka.
It is a samahara dvandva. It is not iteretara dvandva. Because we are going to bring collectively. So the correct answer actually is pala pushpam aneya. That is okay. But let us say, for the sake of shabda, let us say it is pala pushpe aneya. Will there be sandhi karya? Sumanjay ji says no. Anybody disagrees?
No, but yesterday we did some avagraha rules, so that can apply. A plus R.
A and O will have avagraha. A plus A
Then no karya.
and A here, that will be Hare. Here, if it is Dvivachanam, no karya. Okay, why no karya? Is there a sutra for no karya? No is correct. That much you have done. There will not be any sandhi, correct. But why not? There is a hint. We had been searching long for some shloka mantra prayoga for this sutra, and I don't think we have found any until now. I'm sure there are. We have not found some.
How is this a hint that we haven't found any?
Because when we did the sandhi table, if you remember, with all the sandhi names and type and whatever, example we couldn't find for this. Example shloka mantra, we didn't find for this sandhi. That's the hint.
Abhaji, abhav is a very important factor in our studies. Abhav, har cheez ka abhav.
Yes, the seventh padartha.
Right, so
This is the sutra. Abhav comes from this sutra. Idude dvivachanam pragruhyam. Hari etau. So you see here, Gange amu. This is the same, very similar to Pushpe anaya. Phalapushpe. Dvivachanam. When there is dvivachanam ending in ikara, ukara or ekara, id, ud, de, ed, dvivachanam, then pragrihiyam, there is no sandhikarya. Nothing will happen. They will just stay separate. So for the sake of Shabda, we had to take this. But this idu de dvivachanam pragrihiyam example still stays elusive to us. We are not finding anything. Here it will be phala pushpam anaya, samahara dvandva.
But if we look at Tatparya here, because we will never bring one flower and one fruit. And they say, so should we not take it in plural only, phalani, pushpani, because where will you bring? I mean, you say that you tell anybody you're sitting in a puja, you tell somebody, bring fruit and flower. You don't expect them to bring one fruit and one flower.
Yeah, correct. That is why it is samahara dvandva. For example, the other samahara dvandva, you see example, dhadi dhritam. Do you plan to eat one ghee and one...
no, but dhadi dhritam, dhadi itself, you can't have one ghee. Dhritam would mean multiple only. It is not, you don't have a singular for ghee, do you?
Okay, then what if you say go mahisham? Do you bring one or many?
See, cow and the bull, I will only bring one. I doubt if I can bring 5 of them together. The flower and fruit, come on, you can't compare flower and fruit.
Generally, samahara is collective. So, okay, see, even if you want to go down that road and say logically I will not bring one and one each, then also you have to use samahara only. Not phalapushpam. Phalapushpam. Collectively you are bringing, right? See, we bring this, the idea, in Samasa you have to see the idea and context, right? We bring collectively, you bring fruits and flowers for offering. So, phalapushpam, all these offering material you bring, so you see samahara. Itaretara dvandva mein, you see that is what they are given. Jahan par beech mein, sorry, not here. प्रत्येक वस्तु प्रत्येक शब्द के बाद विग्रह में च लगता है ये भी नहीं सॉरी देयर इज एन एग्जांपल वेयर दे से ईच वन इज इंपॉर्टेंट हाँ ये देखो द्वंद्व समास की पहचान है कि जहाँ अर्थ करने पर नहीं सॉरी देयर इज समथिंग राइट वी हैड सीन यस्टरडे वेयर द डिफरेंस बिटवीन इतरेतरा एंड Samahara, itaretara, each pada is separately important. While in samahara, you just take collectively.
This whole samasa is just seems like samasa for the sake of it. Everything seems very similar. The divisions and all.
It is the simplest.
Too subtle to understand.
There is one very good Upanishadic example of Dvandva Samasa that comes to mind. I am sure there are more. Nama Rupa. Karya Karana. But we have to see somewhere Karya Karanau. Is it written somewhere like that? Karya Karanau. Nama Rupa come or Karya Karane, whatever. Nama Rupa, there are examples where Nama Rupe, even today or recently I think in Bhashya maybe we have seen, there is one mantra which have Nama Rupe Bhidyete in Prashnopanishad. 6 or something. But anyway, I think it is the 6th only, final Prashna. Nama Rupe Bhidyete. So some places they have done, there will be better examples also than that of Dvandva Samasa. It exists.
But जैसे हम देखें तो राम कृष्ण को उन्होंने कहा इतरेतर, माता पिता को they have said एकशेष. Therefore we anyway yesterday said कि एकशेष तो हम we can consider it like iteretara. That was your initial question, right? When we started the lesson.
No. Ekashesha you cannot consider a samasa. That will be the Purvapaksha. Somebody will come and do Shanka. How is it a samasa at all? It is just Dvivachana.
Exactly. Or if at all we have to do a samasa, then why is iteretara not good enough?
That also. But itara different things are there, right? If two vrikshas are there.
राम एंड कृष्ण दो डिफरेंट है, तो माता पिता भी दो इसी तरह डिफरेंट है ना.
हाँ, वैसे बोल सकते हैं. So parents they will take.
दही घृत भी वैसे ही डिफरेंट है, तो ठीक है, हमें याद करना है जैसे ये है.
Yes.
और ट्राई करना है कि क्यों ऐसा किया है समझने का.
We can bring lot of shankas. It is possible to ask many questions. Even let us even consider, all these questions are very valid. You say, Itaretara versus Samahara versus Ekashesha, all are very valid, absolutely. But you remember in Bahuvrihi, there were three, right? Samanadikarana, Saharthaka and Vyadikarana. It was also pretty clear, but we did not have so many questions about which should be Samanadikarana and which should be Vyadikarana. The main point of these Samasa and Samasa Vigraha is to understand mainly which Samasa it is. Once you go into Itaretara or Samahara, that comes on to, subtle idea changes, like individual versus collective. Point is, there will be two or more.
So, if you समझ लिया तो good enough at one level. Yes. समझ लिया तो it's good.
Yes. So, mainly we just see, okay, which Samasa is it found? Because once we go into, all these, like Ashtadhyayi ke upar, there is Mahabhashya, then Kashika, Siddhanta Kaumudi, Laghu Siddhanta Kaumudi, and so many other things also. Everybody all these people have felt a need to clarify what is going on. There are questions that are not clearly answered. This is well known. Clearly they are not answered, which is why many people have come with their own kind of perspective to understand the force of all 4,000 odd sutras. This is there. There will be questions. It is not that we will not have any shanka. What we can do is little more than 4,000 actually. But the thing is, and plus one, okay. But the point is that there will be many shankas that we can bring up. More important to know what mainly there is, what samasas are there, but are the most important. That is critical. So here, critical point is Dvandva Samasa is there. There are mainly three types. Third type is a bit iffy. First and two also some places are a bit iffy. It's okay. Itaretara, Samahara, Ekashesha. Dahi dhritam bhakshaya. Dahi ghee khao. Bhakshaya के अलावा क्या बोल सकते हैं? Any other words?
Khada.
Khada, सत्यम. लोट लकारा मध्यम पुरुष एक वचन. गाय भैंस पालो, यही है. गो महिषम, then पालय. Okay. Well, so you said पालनीयम. Sorry, I thought you said पालीय. पालनीयम बोल सकते हैं. पालनीयम, aniyar is okay, but here it is quite direct, right? पालो. पालनीयम बोलना है तो they would have said पालना चाहिए. पालना कुशल है or something. It is good to do something. That's it.
I'm trying to be polite.
Even there with aniyar, I don't know if this is given somewhere specifically, but once with our Swamiji, we were talking with Swamiji on this Tavya and Aniyar, and he had said Tavya is generally used when it is a very strong worded vidhi, and Aniyar is a little less strong. But we have to check if one of these Kashikakara or Siddhanta Kaumadikara or somebody has given this in their explanations. So here, because Palo is very direct, you can say Palaniyam, or better to say Palaya.
Okay.
Dhan jau banao bo. Dhan jau bo. Kim. Kosti translation. Dhanjo is what they have given here. Huh? All these things they are giving one by one. Dadidritam, Go Mahisham, Vrihiyavam, Shitoshnam. All four will come. This is Vrihiyavam. Vrihi or Yavam. Vrihiyavam, Bo. Bo is to sow. So this will be. There is one dhatu we had seen right a couple of days ago. Vap dhatu. Vap.
Vapati.
Vapati had come, I think, a few abhyasas ago. ये डुवप बीज संताने गर्भाधाने चेदने बीज तंतु संताने मुंड बीजोप्त्योहो वपने घर्षणे तंतु निर्माणे च. If we thought sutra patha was very difficult, welcome to dhatu patha. Vap dhatu is there to sow, plant, chop, beej bona vagera. Here you come to lot lakara. Kartari lot. Vapa. Vrihiyavam vapa. सर्दी गर्मी सहो. शीतोष्णम Sodavyam is easy. What is saho? Sodavyam is easy. Correct but easy. What if you understand? Lot lakara.
Soda.
Sodha? Not soda. For Sahaswa, I think.
Sorry.
Kartari lot. Sahatam sahe, because this is Atmanepadi, na? Sahatam, not Parasmapada. Atmanepada dhatu. Sahatam, sahetam, sahantam, sahaswa. Sahetam, sahadvam, sahai, sahavahai, sahamahi. शीतोष्णम सहस्व. चोर मरता है. चोर किम? कहा चोर?
चोरः हाथी.
हाथी. म्रियते. न जायते म्रियते जैसे म्रियते. चौरः म्रियते. Choraha is also okay. Chauraha is also okay. Papi mara.
Papi amriyata.
Papi amriyata satyam. Does anyone remember for this chora, chaura, both are okay? A couple of abhyasas ago we had seen a sutra. वो सूत्र मन में नहीं आ रहा है.
We said it came in the SVWS.
Yeah, but something like that, not chora chaura, another word was used. And I had quoted a sutra, but now I don't remember that sutra. Yeah, I'll also search. Hopefully we'll find it. Papi mara, papa amriyata, papi amriyata. Durjana marega. ठीक है. दुष्टः मरिष्यति. ये मतलब बहुत नेगेटिव है. जो भी है. म्रियते म्रियताम अम्रियत म्रियते मरिष्यति. ऑल फाइव आर हियर. पिता पुत्र को पढ़ने के लिए प्रेरणा देता है, आदेश देता है और संदेश देता है. किम? पिता. अग्रे.
What we say here, Putram pipatishyati, that son pratyaya should come, no prerna dhatu.
That is a very good guess. In fact, it should be correct. Padane, but see.
पढ़ने के लिए प्रेरणा देता है.
प्रेरणा देता है, पढ़ा रहा है. That would be पिपटिष्यति नहीं, पाठयति. पिपटिशा is पठितुम इच्छा. Not
yes,
prayer.
पढ़ने के लिए प्रेरणा. So पढ़ने की इच्छा के लिए प्रेरणा देता है.
नहीं, पढ़ने के लिए पढ़ने के लिए प्रेरणा देता है. अच्छा, पढ़ने की इच्छा देता है वैसे.
हाँ, something like that.
Complicated.
ये तुम और पठितुम.
हाँ, पठितुम
और अध्येतुम.
हाँ,
प्रेरयति, आदिशति, संदेशंच ददाति.
संदेशति.
धातु फॉर डायरेक्ट फॉर संदेश.
संदेशति.
Is there any? Okay. Oh.
सम उपसर्ग पूर्वक दिश धातु संदिशति, आदेश आंग उपसर्ग पूर्वक दिश धातु आदिशति. सो फॉर दिस पढ़ने के लिए प्रेरणा देता है पिपटिशा. दैट इज कॉम्प्लिकेटेड सुंदर जी, दैट आई कांट इवन अंडरस्टैंड दैट प्रॉपर्ली. प्रेरणा क्या, प्रेरणा की इच्छा देता है. वैसे पिपटिशा ददाति.
Because when I saw prerna, I thought the sun pratyaya was prerna rupak dhatu. So then I said, ki, okay, and how will pat work with the prerna rupa dhatu, which is pipate something. So I just guessed like that. Maybe it doesn't apply here.
But that's a very interesting kind of thought process. प्रेरणा के लिए पढ़ने के लिए प्रेरणा देता है. यू आर सेइंग पढ़ने की इच्छा देता है. सो पिपटिशा दधाति वेल से इच्छा देता है. पिपटिशा दधाति. बट हियर इट इज ब्यूटिफुल टू थिंक दैट वे, बट आई थिंक इट्स सिंपलर हियर. पिता पुत्रम पठितुम, व्हाट सुमंजय जी सेड, पठितुम प्रेरयति और नुदति. नुद धातु इज देयर, राइट? दे हैड गिवन नुद धातु इन दिस. नुद प्रेरणा देना. नुदति. अच्छा, पठितुम नुदति. थिंक इट्स ओके. प्रेरयति इज आल्सो अग्रे. गुरु शिष्य को अहिंसा का उपदेश देता है. गुरु देन
अहिंसा उपदिशति.
शिष्यम अहिंसा उपदिशति.
शिष्यम अहिंसा उपदिशति.
राम, सो आई एम गोइंग टू गिव. राम बाण फेंकता है. दिस इज इजी. राम बाणम क्षिपति. बट बाणम इनी पर्यायवाची शब्द इशु. इशुम. दिशुम नहीं, ओनली इशुम. एंड शरम ऑल्सो यू कैन से. शरम क्षिपति. बालको देन
धूलम प्रचारयति.
धूलम प्रचारयति. ओके. धूल रजस. रजः अस्ति. रजस शब्द. प्रचारयति is to sort of
spread, right?
Yeah, but धूल को प्रचार करने.
शिप ही यूज करना पड़ेगा.
हाँ, यहाँ पे कृ धातु है.
फैलाना.
तो कैसे होगा? किरति. सूत्र. हाँ, twice one you said is correct, but what is the sutra? And pracharayati is more like, you know, teachings etc. धूल को प्रचार करने का. हाँ. ऋत ईद धातो हो सूत्र. ऋत ईद धातो हो. ऋत ईद धातो हो. बालको.
So what will be the word? What will be the word? Yeah, balako.
किरति.
Kirati.
कृ धातु, this धातु.
That's the E in it.
हाँ. Ru will become E. So Kru will become Ki. Kirati. बालको भोजनम उगलता है.
उद्गिरति.
सत्यम. उद्गिरति. And
उगलता है. सृज.
सृज.
That is
उगलता है ना. Is not eating, is going up.
ये उद्गिरति. Udgirati. Sorry, I didn't hear something in the middle. This dhatu. Udgir. Udgirati. Then there is an interesting one, I think. हाँ, जादूगर. पत्थर निगलता है. कैसे जादूगर?
ऐन्द्रजालिकः.
हाँ.
मायावी also.
मायावी. हाँ, अश्मन शब्द you can use. सत्यम. We see, right? Few abhyasas ago Ashman. Ashman, what will be Ashman? Ashman is the Pratipadika. What is the Shabda?
Ashma.
हाँ, Ashma. Then?
Nigirati.
निगलता है निगिरति, सत्य। कवि, हाँ, कवि काव्य बनाता है, किम?
सृज,
वाइस,
सृज धातु।
ओके, यू कैन यूज
सृजन
सृज,
करता है, it creates poetry, ऐसा होगा ना?
yeah, you can say
रचयति
rachayati is more more obvious.
I was just looking at the given shabdas.
हाँ, सृज is given, अच्छा अच्छा, सृज is given, good आभाजी, correct, सृज you can use, हाँ, सृजति, सत्यम, you can use, but of course rachayati is very obvious, it sounds natural. सृजति is okay because obviously they have given in the abhyasa, we can use कवि ही काव्यम सृजति, and वह घर छोड़ता है, अच्छा,
सह गृहम
हम
विसृजति, विसृजति।
विसृजति। अत्र पुस्तके अददत्, वह अपना घर छोड़ता है, तो अपना घर बोलना है तो कैसे?
स्वगृहम,
स्वकीय, स्वकीय,
स्वगृहम इज करेक्ट। और आबाजी, व्हाट इज योर अटेम्प्ट? किमस्ति भवत्याः उत्तरः किं? कः?
नहीं, स्वकीय नहीं होगा।
No, it is correct. Swakiya is correct. Why not? Swakiya is also correct. Swagriha is also correct. Swakiya griham is also correct. In Swakiya, what is the pratyaya in Swakiya?
Cha pratyaya.
Correct. Cha pratyaya. Any sutra?
Today.
Sutra? What is the sutra for cha pratyaya?
That happened Deepka Sumanjay.
Yeah. Very generous of you. हाँ, which sutra? आयने यिनी यहा पढ़ कच्छगाम प्रत्यादिना, पढ़ कच्छगाम प्रत्यादिना। Anyway,
कच्छगाम
प्रत्यादिना, आयने यिनी यहा पढ़ कच्छगाम प्रत्यादिना, सत्यम, स्वकीय। पितरः दधिधृतानि गोमहिषौ नास्ति, पितरौ ओनली टू, गो दधिधृतं समाहार द्वंद्व, गोमहिषं समाहार द्वंद्व, मरति अमरत मरिष्यति नहीं, म्रियते अम्रियत मरिष्यति। दो ख को लोट लंग और विधिलिंग में बदलो, ये किया हमने, ये धातु को मृद धातु, वी डिड दिस, मृद धातु के 10 वाले कार के पूरे रूप में लिखो या स्मरण करो, व्हाटएवर। द्वंद्व समास किससे कहते हैं? लक्षण किम?
Sorry, just a quick one. Gau is Pullinga.
Okay.
And Mahisha is Napunsakalinga. Why do we say Gau Mahisham?
No, Gau can be both, right? It is not only Pullinga. It can be Strilinga also.
It can be Strilinga also, but Mahisha also will be...
Mahish...
It's not Napunsakalinga, right? Mahisha is a bull.
Bull, Pullinga. Mahishaha. Right?
Then
Mahisha.
why is it coming to Mahisham as in the Sham? That
Because...
comes with...
No, because in Samahara Dvandva, it will be in Napumsakalinga.
It will be Napunsakalinga.
समाहार द्वंद्व में समस्त पद के अंत में प्रायः नपुंसकलिंग, महिष इज पुल्लिंग। द्वंद्व समासः लक्षणः कः? हाँ, सो
पदार्थ प्रधानो द्वंद्वः,
सम्यक्, सत्यम, उभय पदार्थ प्रधानो द्वंद्वः,
एंड आल्सो चार्थे द्वंद्वः, यहाँ पर च का अर्थ,
करेक्ट, दैट इज अ सूत्र। चार्थे द्वंद्वः इज द सूत्र, चार्थे द्वंद्वः, सिंपल सूत्र। रामस्य कृष्णस्य कः समासः? रामकृष्णौ इतरेतर, सत्यम। हरि हरिहरौ, सेम। भीमार्जुनौ, पुष्पाणि च फलानि च,
समाहार,
पुष्पफलम, you can say. Actually, anyway, samahara will take for now.
The way they have done will be pushpa phalani, because if we see, उन्होंने जो किया पुत्रम च फल, पत्रम च, पुष्पम च, फलं च, for that they have done patra pushpa phalani.
Not,
so we don't have patra here, so we will say patra phalani.
Not pushpa phalani, pushpa phale we have to say. because dvichanam you take, right? Ramakrishna जैसे पुष्पपले.
तो उन्होंने बहुवचन use
Yeah.
किया. Okay.
So individually, so this is coming back to our debate earlier today on the pushpapale anaya. So see, if you want to take itara dvandva samasa, take pushpapale anaya. But if you are going to, so then the question will become, why should I bring only one pushpa and one pala? Correct. So then you take samahara dvandva. If you want to take samahara dvandva, say pushpapalam anaya. That is what will come. Hastaucha padaucha. This example is there.
Hastapadam.
Hastapadam. Collective. Samahara dvandva. Dadidritam and माता च पिता च पितरौ एकशेष. All three are there. पितरौ माता च पिता च गोमहिषं समाहारद्वन्द्व.
It is already done.
हाँ समाहारद्वन्द्व. No, विग्रह. हाँ correct. शीतोष्णम also same. Rama Lakshmana also same. The द्वन्द्व समास विग्रह is very easy. Just put च. चारते द्वन्द्व. Bahuvrihi etc. is more complicated.
There is a wonderful application that just struck me in Kalidasa for the samasas. So we have ekashesha and itaretara in one place itself. So we say vagatha viva samprittau. In that one, Parvati Parameshwarau is there. That is itaretara. And then itarau
correct
is one word. That is this thing. Ekashesha.
Jagataha pitarau vande. Correct. In that one shloka both are. Okay. So with this 6 main samasas are done. Avyay bhava, tatpurusha, karmadharaya, dvigu, bahuvrihi and dvandva. There are couple of minor samasas. Naya samasa is there, of course. So this Naya samasa we see after Anadhyaya. 3 days Anadhyaya. Next we will meet on 9th October. Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavashishyate. Om Shantihi Shantihi Shantihi. Shankaram Shankaracharyam Keshavam Badarayanam Sutrabhashyakatau Vande Bhagavantau Punah Punah Ishvaro Gururatmeti Murti Bheda Vibhagine Vyomavadvyapta Dehaya Dakshinamurtaye Namaha. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Om. Abaji, Prashna.